Carterita Gucci nunca, nunca falla, yeah. Te quiero conocer. Tell me what's your name.
Hi guys, it's Shine. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. So I love Boxycharm. It is a monthly subscription box. For those of you who don't know what it is, you pay $21 a month and you get full-size products, which I think is absolutely amazing. It's not little minis like those Sephora samples that they all try to play us with. So let's open her up. And I try to do my makeup super neutral, so if I want to try any of this on, we can. So this month's info card is Vacation. That is what the theme, I'm like, what am I trying to say? The theme of this month is Vacation, which is super cute. Let's see what is inside. So the first thing that I see is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is Make Them Blush. So this is the blush, and this is the shade I got, which I honestly think is going to look so great with my skin tone. I am going to take just one of my little fluffy brushes and dip in. Oh, I like this. And then what I like to do is do with one side, and then the other side I'll blend it out a little bit more. That is so pretty. That is a great color for my skin tone as well. If you're a little bit more on the fair side, maybe not the best shade, but I am a medium skin tone and I really like this. Right there, it swatches super nicely. Love. Okay, this is super exciting. It reminds me kind of my favorite ColourPop shade. I believe it's called To The 10. This looks a lot like it and I use that almost every day. So really excited about that alone. Then we got, ooh, what is this? So this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. Okay. Let's open her up. This is what it looks like. Super cute packaging. Let's see here if I can get it open. Oh, it's got, I hate when they have the little tape. Like I know, yes, you want to be secure, but I cannot get this open. So let's cut it open with my scissors. I'm curious about the quality of these. Well, these are super cute. So they're really soft. They're synthetic brushes, which I love. These are the brushes, just so you guys can see them. I really like these. These are super soft. Awesome. I love getting brushes in the Boxycharm because I feel like they're always really nice. Then I got, moving on to the next item, we got the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Ooh, okay, this one has some bold claims, guys. This is claiming to get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is maybe do a try on. Clearly I already have my lashes on today, so I definitely can't try this out. But I think I will definitely keep you guys updated. So, and it's got one of these chunky, just so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is the brush. Nice. So I will let you guys know how this goes. I'll either end up doing like a try-on video to play around with this, or I'll leave it in the comment section below. I definitely am leaning towards the try-on video though. I think that would be fun. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. The next thing, let's see here. This is from South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. Yes! So this is this little guy. So these are under eye gels. So they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. You pop them right underneath. These are amazing. Super excited about that. And last but not least, I'm sure you've seen this everywhere because this was like their big little surprise. So this one is the Pure the Complexion Authority Eyeshadow Palette. And it comes super secure, so let's get her out. And this is Boxycharm in collab with Pure, I believe. Oh my god, I can't get it open. Oh, more plastic on the side. They love to keep things super secure. So let's cut this off. Okay. And this are the colors. This is so pretty, and I love that it has a mirror. I will swatch a couple of these. Yeah, seeing these colors, I gotta do a try on it video. Like, these are so much fun. And this blue, like, hello. I love doing bright blue in like the inner corner moments. So the bright blue is called Mia. Look at this purple. This is BFF. Ooh, Charmer. Oh, Charmer right here. Oh, yes. Let's see. I'm going to just kind of just give it a quick little swatcheroo right there. These look stunning. And I love that there is a mirror. I'm going to take the plastic off. It's a really nice mirror too, and it's cute. Even on the mirror, it has the pure Boxycharm. So I think that's really cute. This is a great palette. I love that it's got some great neutrals. It has pops of color. It has even like a sparkly black, which I think is super cute, and it's called Boxy Black. How cute for Boxycharm. I love this. I am really stoked on this palette, guys. This is right up my alley. Like I said, this type of blue, I love putting in my inner corners, and it just pops. So all in all, this box was worth a lot. The eyeshadow palette was $36. Double Decker mascara was 20 bucks. So that's 56 bucks right there. Then the under eye gels are 10. We have the smoky eye brush set is $23.15. And the blush is $26. So way more than $21. Amazing. I will try to get the try-on video up to the day after this video goes up, so you guys can see how these were like to play around with and all of that good stuff. I'll definitely use these brushes with the the eyeshadow palette, and I'll use the under eye. I will use one of everything, and I will let you guys see how it all works out. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. And if you haven't signed up for Boxy yet, I don't know why, because for 21 bucks, you really can't beat it. Like, this one literally gave you a little bit of everything in your box, and there's no more wait list. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but Boxycharm used to have a wait list. I was on the wait list forever, and when I got off, I was like, yes, oh my God. And there's no more wait list. They've made that super clear on their like Instagram and their website, so that is amazing. So sign up for Boxycharm. I am not a sponsored video by any means. I don't have an affiliate code, anything like that. I just think it's a really cool subscription box, and like, you can't beat everything that comes in this. Like, dang. Anyways, have a great rest of the day, guys, and I will see you next video. Thank you so much for watching.